Now we will add objects from Cosmos, which is Vray's library. Click on the icon above and connect to the library. Let's go to the accessories section and find our objects. There is a download button on the edge of this vase. Click it and a countdown will start. These files will be downloaded to a folder you specify. If you don't want your C drive to be full, you can choose the D drive. First, let's center these objects on our wall. Let's copy right and left. Then I delete the middle vase. I'm going to put another object in the middle. I'm linking to the Cosmos library again. I add vase flower 2602 to my scene. This object looks small compared to the others. When I enlarge this object, its leaves will go into the wall. Since my camera angles are from the front, this will not cause a problem. But when I look from the side, an unrealistic situation will emerge. Let's adjust our object with the help of Move and Scale tool. Let's zoom in a little on the Cosmos objects and get a render. The render is finished and I double click the screen and make fit. I'm linking back to the Cosmos library to add other accessories. I will add a few objects on our counter. This is the one of the objects I will add. One of them is this. I will also add objects to the shelves. And I'm going to make copies of these towels and put them on the shelves. I rotate the towel with the Move tool and remove it from the group object. You can do this with Edit Cut, Edit Paste in place. Let's place the objects on the shelves with Move and Rotate. I also take a copy from the top and leave it. I will also add a laundry basket to the empty space in the corner. When I add it, we see that it enters the section. You can remove the object from the section with move and rotate. Here is a piece I forgot to paint. Let's take a sample and paint it. I'm checking to see if there is an object I forgot to import. Let's render one from this angle to see all the objects we added. Our render is done and this is the result. Maybe we can take this angle as a portrait frame. At the end of the lessons, we will practice focus. We will render some of the objects found in this bathroom up close. Cosmos objects are self-made objects. The objects you download will come with their materials. If you do not have the Cosmos library, I recommend to you create a Chaos account and enter it.